Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this coral necklace. Do you remember I'm showing these gemstones I bought from Marlborogh gem show? Today I picked corals for making a simple necklace. It's very simple, but I love the way how it turned out. Please watch till end and let me know your opinion in the comments. Thank you. See you next time. Meanwhile, I wanted to show you this one. I have made this in 2016 or 17, I guess, even before starting the channel. I have posted this video on how to make this bracelet. Everybody please watch it on YouTube. Not this bead, but how to make these beads. I have already posted the video. In fact, that was my first video on YouTube.